Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video I am going to show you how I create this purplish eye look on my hand. So I will tell you step by step this process. So let's get started the video. If you have a hair on your hand, so first remove it and moisturize your hand with any kind of moisturizer. Take this kind of angular brush to create a eyebrow shape here. So in this look I am using a You Can Be eyeshadow palette, which is perfect for beginner. So I took this kind of lighter shade and start to creating a eyebrow here. Once you complete the outlining of hair, so fill it out with the light shade or light hand. Now I'm taking this kind of cut brush to give a sharp look of my eyebrow. You can use here eye base also, but I'm using here a concealer, liquid concealer, which is from Forever 52. And all the excess concealer I dragged it. Now I took a liquid concealer which is in ivory shade of Forever and start to creating a base on my hand. You can use a big brush here also, but I'm using the same brush which I used in first. Now I'm taking this kind of blender and blend all the base very smoothly. I covered my half hand of this base because I want my base only half hand. Now I took this kind of loose powder, you can use any brand or non-brand, and set my base with a loose powder. Now this is the important and toughest part which I am doing here. Now I am taking this kind of pencil kajal and start to draw eye area. Ignore the length of eye kajal because I used it so much, and I took this kind of bullet brush to create a fake crease line. I am starting with my eye makeup with the darkest color, which is purplish, which is in purplish shade. So this is how you can first deposit your color, then blend it out with the other brush. And the second line which I draw, which for do not spread my eyeshadow involved. So I and then fill it up with the concealer. Now I'm blending all the harsh lines with a beauty blender. Now I'm working with the translucent powder here because I have. Now I took this kind of bullet brush again because I create a mess over the lid, so I fix it out and give it. When you complete this process, take any fluffy brush to create a depth in your outer V. So I'm doing the same process here. Now I'm taking the pinkish or purplish shade and deposit in inner lid. I'm just depositing this color only. We will blend it after deposit the colors. And again I'm taking a purplish, light purplish shade and blend it out with a fluffy brush. Now I am applying here a press on glitter which is in this palette, a little bit in a inner V because I want my eye look very matte. Now I'm cleaning the extra eyeshadow which is spread and start to draw a eye look here. Now I'm taking this kind of liner brush and start to draw eyeball area. I took a brown shade and a little bit black and fill the eyeball area with light shade. Now I'm outlining the eyeball area and also giving a lens effect here. And outlining the eye. This is the liquid liner which I'm using here. You can use branded or non-branded. Also I'm creating here tight line to show my eyes realistic, and I took this kind of angular brush and I'm trying to give here a drop eyeshadow look which increase my eye look so much. Use the same color which you using on your eye area and blend it with any kind of brush, fluffy brush, small fluffy brush. And now I'm start to draw the lower lash and upper lash also. This process take time or also patience, so I did some in camera. Or now I'm highlight my brow bone and inner V also. This is my favorite part in all my videos, when I draw the light effect on eyeball area, because it increase my eyes look so much. With your favorite, please in comment. And this is the final result. If you like the video, give a thumbs up this video and share with your friends who want to learn eye makeup or creative eye makeup. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.